Hey guys, TechNomentor with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the App Store on your iPhone. Now, if you're looking around for the App Store to download apps and it's not there and you're not seeing it, this is why. So the App Store itself is on your iPhone. You can't really delete it or remove it. Every Apple iPhone comes with the App Store pre-installed on it, and the reason why you're not seeing it, it's because it's most likely hidden or removed from your home screen. So we need to add it back to our home screen. In order to do that, we need to find it. If you go ahead and swipe to the very last page, you'll get to the app library. Now under app library here, you can click on it and search for the App Store by going down the list here in the A section or just typing it in. And once you see it here, all you're going to do is press and hold, right? We're going to go ahead and press and hold. And that will allow us to add to home screen. So all you got to do is press and hold the icon just like that, and it will pop up add to home screen, and now we have the App Store available for our iPhone, and we can go ahead and go into the App Store and download any apps we want by going into the search, and then you can search for your favorite apps, and you should be able to download your favorite apps just like that. And that's how you get the App Store back on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys the next time.